Hey guys, Wix100 here, and I have another programming resource tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at Stack Overflow. Now, I'm sure some of you have already found Stack Overflow by Googling for help with code, but Stack Overflow is a great place to get help from different people. So if you Google a programming problem, chances are you're gonna find a result on Stack Overflow, because Stack Overflow is one of those places that people with programming questions of any kind can post their question and have people who know more about coding answer it right then and there. So I don't actually have a Stack Overflow account because I never need to ask questions on Stack Overflow. Not because I'm good at programming, which I am for my level, but because chances are if I have a programming question, someone's already asked it at some point. And if I can't find a result, then I can always create an account and ask it myself. So there's, as you can see here, there's a public Q&A option and there's a private Q&A option. So you can ask a question and have anyone answer it in the public, or you can ask it for private. Now, the fact that it said try for free makes me think that you actually have to pay for the private question and answer, but it is a resource there available. So as you can see here, Azure SQL database for automation, so that person has a database question. PowerShell, how to count objects, so that person has a PowerShell question. So you can see that there's all kinds of different question options, or all kinds of different support for in Stack Overflow for different things. So let's click C# because that's what I deal with mostly. So as you can see, there's all kinds of C# questions here. This has one answer, a lot of these have 0 answers, but there are also many things that people ask. So Stack Overflow is just one of those many programming help resources that are available on the internet. So hope you guys enjoyed. Links are down in the description. Till next time, bye.